Hi guys, it's Rachel here. I don't know how much memory I've got in my phone, but I just wanted to show you the new kit that we'll be putting in Etsy, and this was designed by none other than Steffi, and a lot of these were photographs that we took of details in Florence, and then some public domains, and then some of my laces, and then all of these details here that you can see around in the images are from my super antique books that Steph's spent some time and scanned all of the bits and pieces, and then he's extracted them all from the page, and so it has used them in the kit. So I just want to show you. So there's an 8 journal page kit. So there's this one here. I just love it. Each time he gets better and better. Look at these details everywhere and the splashing and all kinds of things. And then this one. So we've got lace and pattern there and some from my books. These are all from my books, all of these, which I absolutely love. And then this one here. So old letters, again from the book, old doors, and then antique from antique books there. Oh, this one's really great too. I can't remember if that might have been from the graphics fair and he did something to it and it went a different colour, and then he cleaned it all up and did stuff, key and beautiful fresco designs and old doors, and it's just wonderful. These are all from my books. So there's that one. And then this one here, I'm just checking my phone's recording because it says my memory's full. This is a detail from a door, and he's put a border around it. He's put borders around all of the pages. This is a public domain. Some of my antique letters, again from my books. Another image that we took, another photograph that we took, and then another image from a book. And then this one here, absolutely love this too. You've got lace, you've got from books, borders, all kinds of things going on there. And then this one, beautiful old letter, key, got lace, like, you know, embroidery work behind and detail from a door, and then from my antique books. And then we also made a tag kit, of course, to go with the journaling pages. So that will be one kit, just like I did the other ones. And this will be Italian kit. I think it's kit number 4. And then this is the tags that go with it. So as usual with these ones, you'll get the undecorated page, and then I decorated a page. And it took me a while to sort of decorate them because, you know, they're quite busy sort of backgrounds. So I have to sort of figure out what I want to do on them. I did use some images, some of these flowers, some of my labels, and then some of the flowers. Some things are from the Graphics Fairy, and then there's public domains. And then some of the flowers were also things that Steffi has cleaned up for me in the computer as well, and made them into PNGs so I can use them to decorate things. And so this is the plain one here. And then this is how I kept this one fairly simple because there were details I didn't want to cover up. So, you know, I might have added a flower or added a doily, and then, but I kind of made it go transparent. Here I added some trim and a tulip. Here I put the pot and sort of made it a little bit more transparent so you can just see behind. Here I put one of my antique laces there, and then this is one of my doilies as well. And I made it kind of transparent so you can just see the details behind it. So it kind of looks like it's not just sitting on top, it's sort of blending in as well. But I really like the colours in those. And then there's this one here. So this is the plain. And then this is the decorated. And I love the colour. I don't know how I did that. The colours just sort of all worked together. It's really funny. It must be because the colours in the bases were, I don't know, made me do that. I don't know. Anyway, these are some antique wine labels and doily again, and flowers and a bit of ephemera and pretty bird and that sort of thing. And then there's this one. So this is the plain, and then this is the decorated, and I was really pleased how this one turned out. Again, some birds and things that Steffi cleaned up for me, some flowers. These I put some of my old book pages behind these, and I really liked how those turned out. And then these are flowers that Steph also cleaned up for me, and also the owl. And I think the owl's graphics fairy. I can't remember because he cleaned up some owls for me as well. And then that's from the Met Open Access program, that one. But I trimmed it down and made it a little bit transparent so you can just see the background behind it. So that's that. And then there'll be a third kit. And now I didn't decorate these because I kind of like these as they are. But they could be nice with a little lace cluster on them. I mean, for example, these you could put a pretty flower on or a bird, or you can decorate. I mean, you can decorate them. I just felt like they're very nice how they are. So they'll be a slightly less expensive kit, and it'll be journaling cards. So I just love how they turned out. And Steph put this border around them. There's that one. So again, they're bits and pieces taken from the pages in the journaling kit, so they all coordinate. I just love them. Can't wait to have a play with them. There's that one there, and then that one there. So they are the 3 new kits. I have the discount code in the description box. You need to put that in the coupon section when you check out. And so there'll be 3 kits, and I hope you like them. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great weekend. Bye.